Hey guys, you know what? Sometimes we hear of opportunities and because of fear, because of some form of pessimistic tendencies, we don't always take advantage of different opportunities. Well, you know what? You lose 100% of the shots that you don't take. That's one of my favorite quotes. And it's an Aki quote that I learned about recently. It means that if you don't take advantage of the opportunities, you will never achieve your goal, whatever those goals may be. Now, guys, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing a very exciting story with you guys, and also talk a bit more about something that I spoke about previously on my channel. But before we get into it, I just want to say welcome. If you guys are new here to the Anderson's Family's channel, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Hopefully you guys see fit to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video, and leave a comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. So guys, let's talk about it. Rent to own. Recently, I shared a video on my channel talking about a new partnership that the Andersons have with Requity, which is a rent-to-own company that allows persons who are not yet mortgage ready to rent their home while they get mortgage ready and then purchase the home at a pre-disclosed price. Well guys, I shared that video and it was kind of like a love-hate relationship kind of thing. Some persons were really excited about it and some persons were very pessimistic about it, and so on and so forth. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that the reason why I'm so excited is because 2 of our subscribers moved into their house this weekend. If you guys know me, you guys know that when you win, I also win. Like, I am so happy, I am so excited, because it's almost a case where, like, I am the one who's moving into my first house again. And these 2 persons are persons who are both on work permit. They came to Canada last year, and they came as a temporary foreign worker, and they are both in the province of Saskatchewan, right? So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, that video that I shared, I spoke about Requity in detail, and I even have a live on about the topic, where if you're here as a temporary resident, international student, temporary foreign worker, or even permanent resident or citizen, and you are not able to get qualified for a mortgage for whatever reason, probably your credit is not good enough, probably you're not able to save the down payment that's needed up front, or because you're on a temporary status, a lot of banks, a lot of mortgage institutions typically don't like to give mortgages to temporary residents, even though it's possible, right? Now, because of those apprehensions, a lot of persons are stuck in a cycle of paying rent, and they pay rent to no avail, and then their lease is up and then they move somewhere else and all of those things. So Requity actually started a business 2 years ago, a couple years ago, where temporary residents, and it doesn't matter if you find a house, your dream house, and you want to buy it but you're not able to get mortgage ready, you can go into a rent-to-own contract and purchase a house at a pre-disclosed price. Not only that, but Requity help you on the path of becoming mortgage ready. So you have different seminars, different webinars, where it helps you to increase your credit score, to save your down payment and stuff like that. And also a part of the rent that you pay, right, also goes towards building up your deposit. So you have a saving component different than the rent component, which is fantastic, guys. It's amazing. So I just want to say a huge congratulations to those 2 persons. They did ask me not to mention their name. They asked me to not just keep it confidential, because you know how the things they. Some persons are very private, and we are gonna respect that as well. But I just thought that I'll come on here and share it with you guys to let you guys know that, listen, when opportunity equals preparation, it equals luck, right? And the difference between those who succeed and those who don't succeed are the ones who take opportunities, not the ones who sit and talk about if it don't work or whatever the case may be. So I'm sharing that with you guys to know that you too can also benefit from something like this. So if you're here as a temporary resident and you want to buy your house, or you're here as a permanent resident, or whatever the case may be, your immigration status may be, and you want to buy a house, but you are not yet in a position to be qualified for a mortgage, this is an option that you can definitely consider. And I absolutely wish this was something I knew about before I purchased my first house, because this would have made my life a lot easier. Because of, you guys know my story, we came to Canada and our credit wasn't the best at first, and we had to spend a number of time, like probably a couple of years, rebuilding our credit to be able to become mortgage ready. But throughout that time, we were just paying rent to no avail. So if we had a rent-to-own basis, then probably we could have identified our dream home, And while we're paying rent, it's going towards building our own equity as well, in some sense. And then we'll be able to purchase that house upfront, outright, as well. So definitely, I think this is something that is very, I call it game changing. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. And even though these persons has asked me to keep it anonymous, they did want me to share their story a little bit with you guys. So let's start with the first person. Now, he came to Canada on a closed work permit. He came as a LMIA. He works in the hotel industry. So he got an LMIA. He is from the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Came as a temporary foreign worker, closed work permit last year, February. He landed in Saskatchewan in Regina. And the thing is, with the rent-to-own thing, even though it operates in only specific provinces, Saskatchewan, well, this particular company, Requity Homes that we partner with, operates in Saskatchewan, Alberta, Manitoba, and Northern Ontario, because the prices of the home has to be between 300,000 to 600,000. 600,000 is the maximum. And if you look in other parts like British Columbia, Southern Ontario, places like those, the house prices are probably out of the band of that 600,000. Anyways, he landed in Regina from Trinidad and Tobago, working in an hotel. And then his work permit, his closed work permit, was expired February of this year. However, he was able to get provincial nomination through this Saskatchewan Immigration Nomination Program, and then submitted his PR application. So once you submit your PR application and you get that acknowledgement of receipt, you're able to apply for what's called a bridging open work permit. So he did that, and then he ended up now having an open work permit while he waits on his PR decision, which of course is going to be approved. So that's his immigration journey. He always wanted a house. Now, this is a single person. He's not married. He has no kids. He always wanted a house, but he couldn't save the down payment that's needed to put down on a house up front. That 5% that he need up front. So he always had a challenge, and he never thought that this would be a dream that he could accomplish so fast, or even get on the path of accomplishing that dream. So he saw the first video I made, and he reached out to me and asked me some questions, and then I answered those questions to the best of my ability. He went through the process, and then he was able to go out, find his own dream home, stuff like that, submitted the documents that required, and yes guys, he's now living in his dream home on a rent-to-own basis. And now Requity Homes is helping him to become mortgage ready, for him to be able to get a standard mortgage, which ultimately would be better for him in terms of reduced payments and stuff like that. But you can tell that I'm really, really happy. And the other person is actually also in Saskatchewan, but they're in Saskatoon. Now, they, I say they because it's actually a family. Husband came as an international student. Sorry, wife came as an international student, and the husband came as a temporary foreign worker, open work permit. And they did the application together, similar circumstances. They find that, okay, then it's hard to find suitable places to rent in Saskatoon. They said a lot of the places are not up to standard. Their words, not mine. I've never even been to Saskatoon. So they said that they were looking on the potential of purchasing their home, but they didn't thought it was possible because they were temporary residents. Now, they were able to connect with Requity Homes, and yes, they too were able to move into their dream home on a rent-to-own basis this weekend as well. So I'm really, really excited, and as you guys know, whenever I know anything that can benefit my audience, benefit my subscriber, it's not even about benefiting me and my family. It's about making sure that we are sharing knowledge and information that can make somebody's journey a lot easier than our journey was. What am I saying? What's up with my English? Make somebody else's journey a lot better than our journey was. And also to make sure that you guys don't have to go through the same challenge that we had to go through to reach where we are at right now. So that's one of our biggest mission on our channel, is to empower, uplift, motivate, and just to let people know that the Canadian dream is still alive. But again, when opportunity meets preparation equals luck. And also, you miss 100% of the shots you do not take, right? So if you guys are interested in learning more about Requity Homes, I have 2 other videos on my channel where I share in-depthly what this is all about, and I also interview the CEO of Requity Homes, and I ask all the questions that I think you guys would like to know. So if you want to learn more, definitely go and check it out. And if you want to apply to be a part of the rent-to-own process, The link is always underneath my video description. You can click on it, and it can definitely be a game changer for you as well. So again, the link is right under the video description. Requity Homes is the name of the company, and it's all about changing the narrative, creating home ownership for everyone, not just for someone. This is a dream we all have, and it's for all of us, right? So if you guys are here to the end, drop some congratulatory message in the comment section. I'm sure they will be watching this video. And again, from my own self and my own family, I'd like to say congratulations to you guys. Really happy for you guys. And it's like we are winning. We are winning over here, guys. Every time I hear good news of somebody gotten an approval or whatever the case may be, like, it's like we are always so overwhelmed. And I'm going to say thank you guys as well for supporting our channel. All the new subscribers, welcome. By the time we drop this video, we are probably at 14,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. Hopefully we can make it to 20,000 subscribers before the end of the year. What do you guys think? Is it a possible dream to have, or do you think I'm reaching? But I am reaching for 20,000 subscribers for the rest of the year, but I can't do it without your help. I need you guys to hit that subscribe button for me right now, guys, right? Do that as a New Year's gift, early New Year's gift. Do that as an early New Year's gift, and share this video as well. If you know anybody who is in Canada, they probably been in Canada for a while, wanting to buy their house, but just not being able to be qualified for a mortgage, share this video with them. Let them know that there are options, right? And again, drop some congratulatory message in the comment section. Smash a like on this video. Really helps out the algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.